Hello, my name is Ankit Alex Ansla. You are 15 CS to 58, and I'm making this video for experiment 4 of networking lab. Then the aim of this objective is introduction to static routing. So, uh, what is static routing? In static routing, uh, when two three routers are interlinked and when a data that is more than one networks are interconnected, and when one data is to be transferred from one network to another, it uses routers, and there could be multiple routes for the data to transfer from one network to another. So for that we need to set protocols for these data to transfer successfully to its destination. For this we use routing. In static routing, what we do is that the admin, he only sets the route and decides this route for the data to transfer from one network to another. So advantage is that this kind of method is very simple and it's very easy to implement, but the drawback is that if there if the given connection, that is the connection which has been made, if for some reason fails, the data transfer will be data transfer will fail. So moving on to implementation. So the first of all, we make a topology as given here. As you can see, we have three networks, that is 192.162.10, 192.160.30, 192.162.60 and 60. These three networks are interconnected using routers, and each router has an IP address. The connection between each router, that is WAN, has an IP address, that is 160.2, 160.40, and 160.50, 160.50. So first of all, we will give all the respective end devices and these devices their IP addresses. After giving the IP addresses, we will now give the routers protocols to uh, a route for transfer of data from one network to another. For that we will use the CLI of routers, and in CLI we will use following commands like first first of all we will go to router and then we will do en, then in config t we will say IP route. So this is the static routing method, and we will give first the IP address of the network which is not directly connected to the router. That is, for example, here we have 192.168.30 which is not directly connected. 192. So it's not connected. We will give its subnet mask. And also the exit interface, that is either the IP address of the present from which network it's starting, or the serial number or the serial port number from which this route will be taken. So for example, here it is exiting from serial 2, so we will give serial 2. Okay, and we'll close it. So using these commands, we have set a protocol that whenever a data is transferred from 162.10.0 to 160.30.0, it will go through SE2.0. so if you try sending some message, so as you can see, the message has successfully is successfully transferring between this from between networks 162.10.0 and 160.30.0, and and it's also following the route which has been set by the admin, and it's not following any other route. So thank you.